So I interpret art, or I do the psychic reading by interpreting art by ensuring the randomness. And in order to ensure the randomness, I first pre-decide a topic. So to take a answer for this, whether Jamal's birthday party would get him how much or damage he will get with the legal action. To understand that, I randomly decided an topic which was art topic, which was rainbow dwarfism, abstract art. And I decided to go and I did a Google on it. And before doing the Google, I pre-decided the search result with which I will go. And in this case, I had decided the search result to be sixth number. So after I did the dwarfism, rainbow dwarfism, abstract art, and I got the Google result, I went with the sixth search result, and this is the result I got. So now, if you see, it is not a perfect rainbow, or it has more colors than the rainbow colors. So there is a additional brown, then there is a ring of pink, and then comes red from where the rainbow starts, and then it ends with the violet. So there are two additional rings in the rainbow, and this is one observation in this art. See, rainbow, as per we don't study the rainbow. The reason for that is rainbow was part of my search result, so we're not reading the rainbow. Unless the color of the rainbow would have been other than the rainbow, then we would have studied the rainbow. We're not reading the rainbow only because it is how the rainbow should be, with additional two rings. Also, if you see, there is a small heart at the end of the violet ring. So when the heart is shown up, it is telling me the legal action will not be so heavy. In the end, it will end with his heart still very much intact and in good place. He will not be damaged. Then about the rings. If you see, there are two additional rings. One is pink, the other is the brown. He will carry this badge of being insensitive for rest of his life, because you see, the ring is formed over and above the regular rainbow, so it's going to be there. That brown ring signifies that, and it also means whatever he may have to face the legal action, there will be a certain legal action for sure, because there are two rings which are formed over the rainbow. So he's going to lose some money, definitely. And I'm also seeing the brown ring, which I said is a spot or insult, or something that he will carry with him for a very long time. The pink ring is about pink is understood as mostly a female color, but more than a female color, we can understand it that way also, that he will develop a lot of emotionality, or a certain sensitivity like a woman. But pink is also a color of spirituality, it's a color of divine. So he is going to get very spiritual because of this experience. So all said and done, I do see a bit of money loss, which is going to last him for a long time, because there's a ring which is formed. Now this brown is telling something that is undesirable showing up on a good life or a good rainbow, which is going to stay. And the pink is about spirituality. So, but all in all, his heart is safe, in the safe place. It's not damaged or anything. So he's going to stay. He's going to be able to enjoy life and have the upside, but there is going to be a bit of a dent.